Yan guys. Yan, so yan. Pasakay na kami ng boat. Ayan siya guys, oh. Ayan oh, ayan oh. Kasama ko ang aking mga jumangkings. Bilisan nyo o kininayo. Ako Leo. Hi guys, I'm back. We are at Bangkok, Thailand. And guys, we are here in Sapan Taksin. So we are here at Sapan Taksin with Meg, Ina, Ron, and Margie, and we're about to go to Wat Aron Temple. Isa sa pinaka popular na temple dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. So gagaling namin ng Sapan Taksin. So sasakay kami ng bangka, and we have to buy ticket going to the boat. And so ganyan lang yan.
วัดอรุณไปหนึ่งข้างหลังแล้วก็ท่าช้างค่ะเดี๋ยวเก็บตังค์ก่อนเบลทอนตังค์350 1 บาท
คนละ50 บาทใช่ไหม
คนละ30 บาท
คนละ30ใช่ไหม
5 คูณ 150ใช่ไหม5 คูณใช่ไหม
ใช่
150อันนี้1 คนไปไหนวัดอรุณอันนี้1 คนค่ะ
ที่ไปที่ไหนครับ
นั่งรอด้านไหนเลยใช่เดี๋ยวเดินมาเดี๋ยวเราเรียก
So guys, going to Wat Aron, ang bayad ng bangka is 30 baht per person guys. Yan. So 5 kami, so nagbayad ako ng 150 baht. Yan guys. Ay, sorry na ka. Okay, kotot na kap.
Video ka lang to.
Yan, kasama ko aking mga Junaki, si Ina, si Kai, si Ron, si Margie, anak si, ang ating nagmamagandang Miss Grand. Yan. Yan. So sasakay kami ng bangka guys, going to Wat Aron.
Ay.
So yung mga nagbabalak pumunta ng Bangkok, Thailand, manood kayo ng aking vlog yan. Matututo kayo kung paano sumakay at paano ang pinakamadaling easiest way para gumala-gala dito sa Bangkok. So guys, nandito kami sa mismong Saton Pier. Yan. Ano to? Saton Pier. Yeah, this is Saton Pier. Yeah, Saton Pier to. So guys, Saton Pier to guys. Bababa kayo sa mismong Sapan Taksin. So yung mga nagbabalak gusto pumunta ng Icon Siam, yan, dito din kayo bibili ng ticket guys. Yan. So guys, yan yung mga pasahero na I think pupunta sila ng ng Icon Siam. Yan guys. Yan, so yan. Pasakay na kami ng boat. Ayan siya guys, oh. Ayan oh, ayan oh. Kasama ko ang aking mga jumangkings. Bilisan nyo o kininayo. Ako Leo. So ito yung sasakyan namin going to Wat Aron. Dito tayo. Dito tayo. Yan, so yan guys. Ito yung mga passengers na going to Wat Aron. In fairness, air condition. Malamig guys. So yan guys, ito yung itsura ng bangka na sasakyan nyo pagpunta ng Wat Aron. Ayan. Yan siya. Air condition guys. Yan guys yan. So sa mga Thai locals naman guys, paman kula ng kun 30 baht. 30 bahtใช่ไหมเป็น ticket นะ Yeah, ไปวัดอารอน30 บาทนะครับ So Ayan guys, we arrived here at Wat Arun Temple. And i-check nung natin kung may entrance fee ba ang temple na to guys. So guys, ang worth ng 1 person ticket is 200 baht for foreigners, pero pag local it's for free. Yan, so guys, we arrived here at Wat Arun Temple. And yeah. So guys, advice kapag punta kayo dito ng temple, talagang agahan nyo kasi sobrang init talaga, as is. Sobrang init talaga. By the way, may free pa lang tubig yung 200 baht, maliit lang siya. Kasi sobrang init talaga guys, talagang as is. Kaya talagang may mga nagbebenta, may mga shops din nagbebenta ng drinks dito, sobrang mahal nga lang. So mas maganda guys pag nandito ka, pupunta kayo ng Wat Arun, talagang may mga pagkain na kayong dala. Yan, saka pag yan, mga drinks, kasi dito medyo mahal. Although sabi ko nga sa inyo, may free drinks na maliit lang, na 200 baht per person. Ayun siya, ayan guys. Talagang yan guys, ito yung itsura ng temple na to sa mismong labas. Magandang kumuha kayo ng picture dito sa area na to. Talagang buong temple talaga guys. Talagang sobrang ganda. Kumuha kayo ng magandang picture dito guys. Ayan guys, tingnan mo, sobrang init. Ayan, grabe ang init, grabe, sobra, sobrang ganda. Okay guys, I have to end our vlog dito sa Wat Arun Temple, Bangkok, Thailand. Sobrang init talaga guys, promise. As in yan. Babalik ako, pag may time, babalik ako mag-isa para ma-vlog ko ng bonggang-bongga. Kasi pag may kasama ako talagang kailangan mag-take ng photo talaga guys. Pero talagang sobra, worth it naman din ang pagbisita dito sa Wat Arun Temple guys. Yan. So yan. Please don't forget to support my channel. Yeah, my Facebook page, Feeling Thailander, and my YouTube here in Wat Arun Temple. Bye! Doon pa.